Welcome back to DRAWPEDIA tutorials. Today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Mystique. If you are new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now first of all, I'm gonna draw her hair, and I'm gonna take this point in the middle of her hairline and draw a diagonal curved line to the side and turn it upwards at this outer corner. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here as well. And below that side hair, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. On the right, another curved line at the side here downwards all the way to the tip of the hair. Turn it sideways with a semicircular turn, curved line to the right. At the side, I'm going to draw another line downwards and another one at this corner. Turn it inwards, extend it all the way to the tip, semicircular turn back up on the right side, extend it all the way up, and I'm gonna make a diagonal turn to the middle of her hair above and semicircular turn downwards to that corner. Now from that same point, I'm gonna draw a curved line up, semicircular turn to the right, curved line across and turn it down at the side right there, and a curved line across, turn it downwards at the side, and I'm gonna flare it out at this lower point and turn it downwards. I'm gonna copy the same line again at this space right here to the side of that hair. Now for the shape of her face, on the left here I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards, slightly outwards at the cheekbone and back inwards below the cheekbone, semicircular turn at the jaw, diagonal line inwards to the chin, a curved line across at the chin, and diagonal line back up on the right side. Now I'm going to draw her eyebrow with a line downwards off center of her face right there, diagonal curved line to the outer corner, turn it downwards with a curved line at the outer corner. I'm gonna copy the same line across at the top line of her eyebrow right there. Now for her eyes, I'm gonna take this point below the eyebrow in the middle and draw a curved line upwards, sideways to the outer corner of the eye. And for the lower line of the eye, I'm gonna take the same inner corner and draw a diagonal curved line to the outer corner. At the outer corner, I'm gonna curl it up and I'm gonna thicken the upper line of the eye right there. Now on the left side, I'm gonna copy the eyebrow and the eye shape as well. Now in between the eye, I'm going to draw a curved line across downwards. Now I'm going to draw across a semicircular line for the tip of her nose right there, and a curved line down on both the left and right side of the nose. Below that, I'm going to draw a curved line across for her mouth. And for the upper lips, I'm going to draw a diagonal curved line upwards, turn it downwards in the middle point, and copy the same shape on the right side right there. Below that, I'm gonna draw her lower lips with a curved line across right there. And for the skull, on her forehead, I'm gonna draw a curved line across right there, turn it downwards at the side, diagonal turn in at this lower point, and turn it downwards on both the left and right. At this lower point, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. For the eyes of the skull, I'm gonna draw a black circle right there, and for the nose, a short line in the middle point. Now I'm going back to the eye, and I'm gonna thicken the lower outer corner of the eye right there. Now for the left side of her hair, I'm gonna mirror the same shape at this upper point right here. Turn it downwards on the left side and extend it all the way down. Flare it slightly out at this lower point. And I'm gonna make a curl at this corner upwards. Sharp turn back inwards and turn it up at this inner point. And below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards. Turn it slightly out and back in. Sharp turn back up on the right side and to that point. Below that, I'm gonna draw a curved line in, turn it out at this lower point and upwards. Sharp turn back down and inwards, and curved line upwards all the way back to the side of her face. And another piece of hair at the side of that with a curved line in, turn it upwards at this inner point, and at this outer corner I'm gonna draw some curved line right there, and another one beside that. Below that hair, another curved line right there. Below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line down. For the neck, on both the left and right, a line at the side across, turn it downwards in the middle point, across, back up, and across on the right side. Turn it downwards on the left side here, and I'm gonna trace the same line across at this lower point right there. Below that, a diagonal line at the side, sideways in the middle point, and diagonally back up. Now at the side of the hair here, I'm gonna draw a curved line out, turn it downwards with a semicircular turn, and another curved line below that. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side here. And below the hair on the left, I'm gonna draw a curved line down, a curved line outwards below that, and turn it back downwards, curved line downwards below that, all the way to her waist, and turn it outwards below the waist right there. And on the right side, I'm going to take this point and draw a curved line downwards and slightly inwards towards the waist, and turn it downwards. For her outfit, I'm going to take this point below her hair on the right and draw a curved line downwards. And on the left side right there, from the side, a diagonal line inwards, and turn it downwards all the way to her skull belt. I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side right here. And at that inner point, I'm gonna trace the same outline right there. And at this corner, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line to the side and another one above that. Mirror that on the left side as well. Now for her skull belt, I'm gonna draw a circular shape right there. Turn it downwards at the side. Another curved line below that at the side. Turn it diagonally inwards, right there, on both sides. Below that diagonal line, I'm gonna draw a line downwards on both the left and right, curved line across at this middle point. Diagonal line above the eye to the middle point on both the left and right. Below that, a circular shape on both the eye and a black line downwards for the nose. I'm gonna copy the same shape of the skull at the side, but with a shorter mouth. Now below the skull belt, I'm gonna continue the outfit in the middle point right here, extend it all the way down. And for the line of her leg on the left, I'm gonna continue the curved line downwards all the way to her knee. Flare it out below the knee and turn it back in towards her ankle point. Diagonal turn outwards to the left to the tip of her shoe. Semicircular line at that corner. Turn it sideways, diagonally to the right, semicircular turn upwards, diagonally, and turn it downwards. Turn it back sideways to the right, and I'm gonna draw a diagonal line upwards, semicircular turn at the heels, and turn it upwards. And for the lower part of her cloth in the middle here, I'm gonna draw a wavy line across and a similar wavy line at this inner corner right there. Now for her right leg, we're gonna continue the line as well, slightly diagonal to the right. Flare it out below the knee point and back inwards towards the ankle point. For the inner line of the legs, we're gonna mirror the same shape at this corner. Curve line down towards her heels and sideways. For the front part, turn it diagonally out. Curve line downwards to the middle point. In front, diagonal curve line, diagonal turn to the left at that corner, and a diagonal line to the left side. Turn it downwards at that corner. For the patterns on her thigh, I'm gonna draw across a curved line right here and another curved line at this lower point. At the side above, I'm gonna draw a line upwards, and below that, I'm gonna draw another curved line across at this point. Now at the outer line of the leg, I'm gonna trace the same line on the right side right here, all the way downwards. And below the knee, I'm gonna make a turn diagonally inwards, across, diagonal line back up, right there. Trace the same line at this lower point, diagonally across, and back diagonally up at that outer corner. I'm gonna trace the same set of line again for the top of her boots here. Below that, at the ankle point, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line downwards, curved line across at the front point of the foot right there, and another curved line across at this corner right there. And I'm gonna copy the whole pattern of the legs on the left side right here as well. Now for her arms, I'm gonna extend this outer line on the right downwards, flare it out below the elbow point with another curved line, turn it back in towards the wrist, and flare it back out to the fingers and sideways to the left at that corner, turn it back up with a curved line slightly inwards at the wrist, and extend it with a curved line upwards, flare it out at the elbow point, and another curved line upwards from that point right there. Now above her elbow point, I'm going to draw across a curved line. Now for her thumb, I'm going to draw a curved line down at this corner, semicircle turn sideways and back up. For the other fingers, I'm going to draw a curved line down, diagonal turn at that corner, sideways and up, and a few lines at the side of the thumb right here. Copy the same shape for the other finger at this corner, and a curved line at this corner. And I'm going to draw a similar shape for her left arm as well.
And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.